Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the B0CP3 BVPNQ portable induction burner. If you are living in a small apartment, looking for an extra cooking station for the holidays, or just want to upgrade your camping kitchen setup, this 1500-watt electric cooktop deserves your attention. Let us start with the performance. The flexibility here is impressive. You have specialized modes for stir-frying and hot pot cooking that allow you to adjust the power from 600 to 1500 watts in 200-watt increments. If you are doing specific frying tasks, you can dial in the temperature anywhere from 140 degrees Fahrenheit up to 464 degrees. Having that kind of granular control on a portable unit is a game changer for achieving the perfect sear or a gentle simmer. The design is sleek and practical. It features a black crystal plate surface which feels very premium. It is scratch-resistant and surprisingly easy to clean, which is essential for any kitchen appliance. The digital touch panel is intuitive and responsive. Everything is clearly labeled, and the adjustments feel snappy and reliable. One of the standout features is the multifunctional timer. You can set it from 5 minutes all the way up to 3 hours. This is perfect for those set-it-and-forget-it stews or pasta dishes where you need to step away. The auto-off function provides that peace of mind we all crave in the kitchen. Safety is clearly a priority here. The unit comes equipped with overheat protection, voltage and current protection, and it automatically shuts off after 1 minute if no cookware is detected. It also features an active variable cooling system, which keeps the electronics stable even during longer cooking sessions. The rounded edges give it a modern, soft aesthetic that is also safer to handle. Of course, no product is perfect, so let us talk about the realities of using this induction burner. The primary thing to remember is the cookware compatibility. Because it uses induction technology, your pots and pans must have a flat iron base. A simple test is to check if a magnet sticks to the bottom. It works best with cast iron, enameled steel, or magnetic stainless steel with a base diameter between 4.8 and 10.2 inches. If you are currently using aluminum or copper pans, you will need to invest in new, compatible gear. The pros are the impressive 1,500 watts of power, the highly durable glass surface, and the comprehensive safety suite. The cons are primarily the limitation regarding specialized induction cookware. However, for most modern kitchens, this is an easy trade-off for the speed and efficiency that induction offers. In conclusion, this portable induction burner is a powerful, safe, and efficient tool for anyone looking to add high-end cooking capabilities to a compact space. It hits that sweet spot of functionality and ease of use. If you are ready to level up your kitchen game, you can find the current pricing and more details on this model. Link in the description.